In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore missing desktop icons in Windows 10. So as we can see, here is not any icon. So first thing you have to do, right click anywhere. Now hover cursor to view and check this box, show desktop icons. Then click on start and type theme and related setting. Click on themes and related settings. And here click on desktop icon settings. Now you will see this option, desktop icons. Select icon which you want to use, like computer, recycle bin, control panel or network, and check this box, allow themes to change desktop icons. Then click on apply, then OK. Now close it. So you will see desktop icons. That's it. So friends, like this you can restore missing desktop icons in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.